Sanibonani Dumilang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. I'd like to say shout out to God Mode 1019. You commented a few days ago that she forgot her intro, bro. God 19, I fixed it just for you. God Mode 1019, my bad. Guys, also on behalf of CMTV SA, I'd like to say justice for Kwe. Don't be ignorant, guys. Don't post nonsense. Nothing is funny. There's nothing to smile about. Participate. Sign that petition, please. Love and light, Kwe, baby girl. We absolutely adore you. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirami Ntombi Yaseqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas. No, but Nengan.
No, man, you should keep impilo yami ibeke bale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho ngani? Mawuthatha private life yami ibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi na imfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Found a couple. Okay. Hi guys. Hi, how are you? I'm good. I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. Ne? My name is Lisa from CMTV. We just go around looking for couples and we ask them questions.
Alright.
Yeah, and then we obviously shoot and then we might post it, we might not.
Okay.
But how do you feel about it? Huh? I beg you.
What is it about?
I beg you. We just ask couples questions, that's it. Like, when did you meet? How long have you known each other?
Okay.
Yeah. Would you be okay with that?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, where must we stand? Where do you want us? What if there's a car, Lavi?
Izoma kancane imoto phela manje ifaka wethu umjolo so sifuna understand kwenzakalani.
Okay.
Ama-bouncer.
Huh?
Ama-bouncer.
No, it's because we're walking around with expensive cameras and stuff, so you get me.
No stress.
Okay, name?
Okay.
Sorry?
Okay, it's fine.
Oh, I'm saying name. Sorry, your name.
Andy, you know.
Andile. And
Police.
Polisa. Polisa, how long have you been with him?
For 6 months.
6 months. Are you guys together, talking stage?
Forever.
Oh, forever! Okay, where did you meet her?
At the mall.
At the mall. What was she doing? Grocery shopping?
So shopping.
Really?
Yeah.
Then you approached her?
Obvious. You can see her.
Yes, that's a chance.
Really?
Never know to touch a million or in.
Yeah. Guys, you know, I've never been approached at the mall. Whenever someone says they met their man at the mall, I'm just like, what?
Get depend ukuthi wenzani vele mo
Ne?
yabo yeah. So uyazi na bengenzani, that's why I'm approaching.
And you were shopping?
Yeah, for something else uyazi and so.
Lingerie! For what? Sorry guys, I'm invasive mina ngiyazithanda indaba.
Yezani phela umjolo kumele usipayiseke hle.
Yeah.
Yabo.
But he met you at the mall.
Yeah.
So who were you buying lingerie for? Because he was not your man at the time.
Angisho ngithatha empini bathi umuntu
Ah, intombazana. Sir! You took her from a person.
Yeah.
How long had you been with that person before he took you?
Bokuyi 3 years but ke relationship kanjani 3 years yokubekezela not yomjolo nalo uthando la.
Oh, now you're not begazelling, you're actually enjoying the relationship.
Ngiyamthanda futhi
A lot.
kakhulu.
Ah! Did you pay for the lingerie that she was buying?
Obvious, I did.
No, Andile, don't lie. Andile, don't lie. He's lying, ne? So you paid?
I paid.
Andile, why are you lying? She's saying you're lying. You didn't pay for it. Oh, this nigga. Okay, what is it that you like about her the most?
Beautiful.
She is very pretty. She's very pretty. I agree. Yeah.
Like vele wangithatha nje yabo.
Yeah.
At first sight sikabuhlungu.
Okay, what about personality, character, humble, blah blah?
Personality perfectly. Umuntu wami lo.
Yeah.
Vele kade ngimfuna.
Yeah, I Andile, get a room. Why are you looking at her like that?
Yeah, sendleleni yakho ngithi.
Ew. Okay, what do you like about him?
Ngisiyazi namagama amnandi man. Iyakwazi ukubeka indaba. Ithinta amanonini.
I saw that. I saw that. I saw that.
So uyazi ukuthi imela presephi kahle kahle.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you trust him though? I never.
Come on, sase ngisho
It's so
khona
early.
izinto ezenzakalayo but then
Yeah. Okay.
kodwa ke okunye hayi cha ngiyamthemba.
All right. And you?
Mina ngiyamthemba uyazi.
Yeah.
Kakhulu futhi.
Okay.
Siyathembisa.
I want to know what you mean when you say it you trust him but it's still early. Like what do you mean? Because sometimes a man can have holes on the side, right? And if the relationship is new, sometimes it's nice to give a man time to get rid of those holes. Is that what you mean?
No, yena
What
inkinga akusi cheating ne. Izinto indlela zakhe enza ngayo izinto. So in the long run yabo ngaba izinto ngamele umuntu ahlale phansi asixazulule.
We can, yeah.
Yeah, cause noma umkhuluma naye iyafana nje but uthando lona likhona.
And Andile, what do you think that is? What do you think she's talking about?
Into akhuluma ngayo. Sometimes singumuntu obhizi yabo. Yeah, so ukuthi angwaphendula ama calls wakhe. So usuka acabanga.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi kunanesi. Ukuthi ngihlezi ngibhizi yabo.
Okay. All right. You said you trust her, right?
I do kakhulu futhi.
And you trust him. Okay, how would you feel about doing a loyalty test?
Kanjani manje?
So a loyalty test is we basically switch phones for 60 seconds. Your partner goes through your phone and you go through his phone.
Mavela phatha iflu umuntu.
All of a sudden.
Novela wakho
Please man.
Well, how do you feel about that?
Mind, yeah.
You don't mind?
I don't mind.
Sir?
Ay, isikhathi singakanani?
60 seconds.
Wayini ndaba
60
nesikhathi
seconds.
kanti ukalaphi wagijima
Iflat ifone.
Beshisa manje manje isiflat.
Andile, please.
Isiflat kanjani manje?
Please, I need to trust you.
I
Don't
say
disappoint.
sense
Don't
ke
disappoint me.
But I don't mind marish. Isikhathi yabo sheshe.
Ngisajahanga mina khuleka. Ngisajahanga.
Eyami iyacima mose phone.
Oh, Ace.
Okay, asicale ngeyakho cause yakhe iyacima yabo. Cabanga kanjani?
Kuna stress.
Okay.
We must start. You want to start with his?
Yeah, before icima ngisho phela ama coincidence.
Okay. Oh, can I have your phone? Let me just hold it. Right. Can you please just? Thank you. Please stand this side.
Okay.
Ace. Andile, my dad's name is Andile. Please stand this side, Lovey.
His name is Andile?
Yes. Don't disappoint me. No, you stand this side.
Oh, na ichama ne?
Yeah, he's I mean, you know. All right. Thank you. Lovey, you said your name was?
Police.
Olisa, all right. Okay. Okay, go to search here at the top. Yeah, right there. Type. Can we have space? Sir? Thank you. I love you. He's not okay. Okay, that's you, Muslim.
Mina.
Okay. Okay, delete, go back. Type babe.
Kwavela abanye futhi. Hey,
Ima.
kumnandi ukuba isoka ne?
Awu mama wami lo mose.
Ha mama wakho.
No,
Baze
but
kwamnandi bo.
who's this? Get into the message.
Ubani ke mina enhle?
Oh, go babe.
Mina enhle.
Yeah, no babe angisho.
Ace, you know what's on your phone.
Nabanye sibizwa ngamagama. Khona bo babe.
Mina enhle umzala.
Your
Umzala.
cousin.
It's my cousin, umzala wami.
Umzala wakho ke.
Okay, go into. Just go. You sent her money.
Bekacelile ngithi for incwadi zesikole. Se-university.
Plus wena vele uyinasifasa hayi cha uya-apply.
But Madlisa, usebenzile.
Nomzali singazi vele ukhona vele la.
Mara ngakutshela mos.
Wangitshela ukuthini?
Ukuthi udinga imali incwadi
Mina
zesikole.
ngathini?
But why is she babe?
Mina ngathini ke? Mangabe wangitshela. Sho ukuthi engavuma nje ukuthi uthengele umuntu wakho incwadi nje.
Usumuntu wami umzala.
Umzali umbiza ngobaby. Hayi man, come on.
Come on.
Sikhule sonke manje.
Futhi manje nizoqhubeka nonke phela.
Kanjani?
Phela 6 months enough ukwazi ukuthi ngimephi. Ngakutshela nje usangishela kuqala ukuthi angifuni stress mina but
Mara my
ngilethela sona.
sister 60 seconds ayiphelile nje manje.
If you don't
Angela
answer,
bani?
Angela, if you don't answer, we're gonna
Angela.
call Minenhle. What is, so just rather tell the truth now.
Simbuza umzali ukuthi uyafunda.
Mara ngakutshela mfethu phambi kwamakhamera no abone into engayifuni.
Kahle kahle isilima yimi phela ngisho ngibona ama camera ngifuna uku-acta kumnandi ngibhorekile nje.
Soyilungisa lento le.
Wena nobani ngisemathini.
Vusi, can I please have the phone? We're calling Minenhle.
Ngichamuka kuphi enhleke?
We're calling Minenhle.
Yabo manje sengize ngiyagodola nje bese sifika nasendlini.
Because,
Dala ugodola vele. Senje mabakhuluma nge-loyalty test wena wagodola.
yeah.
Washintsha nje esikhaleni.
My sister nibona thina kuphela. Baningi abantu la.
Do you know how long we've been roaming around to find couples? Do you know?
Ayisebenzi zonke lento le.
We roamed around for 2 hours. Who's calling you? Oh, Spesihle. Who's Spesihle K? Do you want to answer?
Uyahleka plus
Do
kumnandi.
you want to answer? Answer.
Nah, it's fine.
Please answer.
Uzohlula ngani kumphendula? Wayidropa.
Wani Spesihle?
Ngoba abanye uyagijima. MakuSpesihle khona. So khona neSpesihle. Ayisoka shema ne? Ayisoka cha ngiyakuvuma.
Mara why thina?
I trusted you like my father. But it's fine. You? Please hold her.
Telephone number.
Uzoyenzani yafana mose akukho kuzoshintsha. Yajola
What is happening?
ngathini ngayenzani mina?
Wavuma nje.
Ngavuma ukuthi wangitshela ukuthi
Ukuthi
ngahle
umzala
kahle.
wami.
Mina
Nawe
ngavuma
uyakwazi
ukuthi umzala wakho sengazi umzala wakho manje.
Nawe uyakwazi
Ndoda mangakho
Aye.
angahlelele.
Damn it.
Yeah.
You have to think it because she's on voicemail. Minenhle. Look.
But then singamfonela sithu.
Mase sibayithu ngifuna khona la. Angisho yenzeka khona la asiqhubeke.
Please open your phone again.
Seyicimile I'm sure angisho lo.
Hello. Yeah. Lee is gonna kill me. Please hold ya. Please put in your. Since we didn't find Minenhle, we need to check again.
Ama 60 seconds iphelile.
Let me see. Sorry. Go to Minenhle again. At least maybe go to media and see what they've sent each other if we can't find her, just to confirm that they really are dating.
Hayibo isombe sengane.
What's going on? What's going on, Andile?
Mara
Who's that child?
assault lo uyangiphusha lo muntu lo.
Vusa, please don't push him.
Lengane le nikhuluma ngayo lawo
Who's the
bani?
child?
Lengane le lawo bani?
Andile, please, hey.
Or yini umzala
You don't-
uthanda ngalendlela ukuthi azakuthumelela isithombe somntwana nje esikhaleni?
Hawu umntana sendlini ngithi.
Please go into media again. Yeah.
Kodwa
Just
yini
scroll. There's a lot of there's a lot of pictures here.
Yazi yafana nawe bo imngane kamzala.
Okay,
Nenzani
scroll.
nabazala benu guys? Ni rock lento enenzayo.
Is that a nude?
Ngicela
Wait,
umtshela
wait,
cheese
wait.
ke bheka.
Just, it's not clear. Just.
Usave wena ngoba mangaqeda ngawe la shem ngisho ne police station ngeke izingibone.
What's this? Boobs.
Hawu kanjani?
Boobs.
Ibafu.
Boobs.
Hayi bafu.
Your cousin. Your cousin. We no longer have to call. I think it's confirmed.
iconfirmiwe vele
Bekusejaga.
Surgery.
Nyamabele plus
Andile, please. Andile, please.
Yenzakalani
I'm really upset that we didn't find
We are
Lomela.
very close kakhulu.
So she sent you a picture of her boobs.
Thumelane nama nudes
Bekangibonisa ukuthi hambe kanjani
kuthi wenzani wayekhombisa wena ngeke umuntu avela akukhombise nje
Andile, we're not going to go
Wena
home.
uzenza lento le phambi kwamakhamera.
ngizoyenza khona la ngiqede khona la ngoba manje sengicedile ngawe mina
Are you done?
ngidani
Because also you just keep lying. And there's proof.
I'm not lying.
Masho ukuthi slima
Uyazi
yimi
ukuthi
masho ukuthi slima yimi
Literally.
Uyazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani.
What does he mean?
kuyenzakalani tshela mina phela ngitshela nami ngiyachita
Angikutsheli ngomzala wami.
ngiyachita ngikhathele ngomzala wakho
Sengikutshela
yeke kamzala
ngomzala
wakho sikhulume ngama nudes phela ngisho phela bokuhlekwa mina yimi ihlayo
Sejaka, baby, le nto
umzala
vele
ngizothi
ku-
umzala ngizothi
Andile, are you done?
udokotela ngisho khatha
Ace, are you
amabele
done?
About
Lying.
I'm not lying.
Because there's no way that your cousin's going to send you a picture of boobs.
Beka kusejaga njengoba ngisho nje. Angaze ngikutshele.
Thatha.
Can we check your phone, Mini?
Ngihambe no mzala wakho ngazi
Where's her phone?
His phone.
Because, okay. You'll decide what to do with him, ne? After this, because. Okay. Just. Okay. Oh. Okay, type I love you.
Hayi yimi lo vela na.
ngifuna kuvele bani
Okay, delete. I miss you.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah,
Let's
still
see, you
vela
must-
mina.
Yeah. Type pregnant. Okay, there's nothing there, ne?
Vele umuntu.
Okay, delete. Type what's SEX.
ngicabanga ukuthi indaba kumele sisibheke eBhayibhelini
No, we are not gonna do that, girl. You checked his phone,
but akunayo
Cela
ayikho
uvule la.
into ozoyithola
but you checked his phone, so we need to check yours, please.
okay singi-explain ne bengikhuluma nje hayi ukuthi besixoxa ngawe yabo besikhuluma nje
Who with who? Type
Nomama wami.
SEX there. What were you saying to your friend?
Ha!
complaining kancane
Thabiso.
nje.
Wait, what's your friend's name? What's your friend's name?
Ha.
Is it
ha,
Snake?
Ha.
Wait, just go back. I can't press. I can't.
Ha.
She said she was not
Mntana lo.
complaining. Okay, just read there. She said, she says your sex is not good.
Ubani ke manje lo?
udokotela I guess
Dokotela.
Lovey, wait, can we deal with both situations? Wait, I want to deal with you. You went back to Tabiso. Go back to Snare.
Ha, lo mntana.
Do you see that? Did you read this message? Your sex is not good.
Ah,
hleli angisho uyachita that's why kuyaphela i-energy phela iphelela somewhere else so ngiyenzeni ke mina
wena into right lento oyenzayo ubone right.
ngiyenze nini ngazuthi bengazi
Nakho
nje ukuthi
kubhaliwe la.
vele izinto ezinye zacaca sho ukuthi vele bengazi
You knew.
sho ukuthi vele bengazi ukuthi uyachita that's why kumele nami ngifuna someone
Usho ukuthi vele wenza ngamabomu.
at least mina iqiniso ngiyalimela wena ungitshela nje ngama-surgery
True.
ngiyalimela mina iqiniso
True, she's right.
Mariyenza njani into kanje?
hawu sokubuhlungu makuza ngakuwe manje
Uyazi ukuthi intombazane efebayo ngiyithanda futhi. Angeke usifanise
ngoba vele
nami.
namanje vele isiyaphela ngikhathele
We need to go back to Tabiso, eh? Please. Okay, just. My business is cheating, not how you are in bed. So my business is Tabiso.
uzofeyini izoba buhlungu for wena
You're right. Uzohamba naso leslay queen sakho ke mina
Who says I'm a slay queen when? Just because I'm wearing a weave, you think I'm a slay queen? Don't fucking annoy me. I'm not a slay queen.
Labyangidina lo mntana lo.
So you must call me a slay queen.
Kodwa uqinisile cha nayo isinongo sakho sivele senza izinto nje zisinde.
So that doesn't mean I'm a slay queen. Xoli. Yeah, you Ruza. Yeah, you Ruza when you go around cheating when.
Mina ngichita Thabiso.
Febelin. Is this the guy you were dating for 3 years or is it
No. Omunye oza after yena.
after Ace?
A day after.
Mara uyenza kanjani into kanje?
Xoli.
Okay, yona iqale as i-friendship kodwa ke ithe mase ngiphakathi ngibona ukuthi la akuvumi isaqala into yethu noThabiso.
What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself? I was gonna call, but she's already confirmed that it's happening.
Bamba nepeki yakho. Ngiyabonga ne.
Ngibonga mina yo. Mina enhle futhi yona leyo mzala.
I'm on no one's side because you guys are both cheating.
I've been going through your phone.
Oh, you knew about her?
Ukuthi igama lakhe akusuminenhle. That's why uthi ungitshekile ngomzala wakho. Angisona isilima.
But wabe ungahlali nami phansi ukhulume nami.
Ngihlaleleni phansi wena ufebelani.
Wawungakhulumanga nami.
Ngitshela ukuthi khombi ufundisa indlela yokungithanda mina. Ufundiswa yibi indlela yokungithanda akuwena usukele mina uthi uthanda mina.
Noma ngayenzani ngaphandle kodwa ngiyakutshela njalo ukuthi ngiyakuthanda ngithi.
Mina ngiyona ke le ntombazane ethi noma ingafeba kusala ezilonge ilala la.
You, God forbid.
From nini wena?
From nini?
From nini?
I6 months ungayenza ngazi ukuthi 6 years or 6 decades or in 6 months.
Wabe ungahlali phansi ukhulume nami.
Angifuni ukuhlala phansi ngiyahamba ke manje.
Yima, how long have you been with Thabiso?
Thabiso 3 months because ngishele after yena eceda ukungishela.
Oh, and then you accepted.
No, Sachola a month after.
Xoli no. Niyachita guys.
Azi umuntu uthi uyathanda uthanda isifebe.
Imagine. Imagine.
Kwata wena ukwenza better ngisho ngoba umfana sokwenza yimi ke manje sekuthinta emanonini.
Ingcono mokumfana intombazane.
I don't say that.
It is.
Why is it better?
It is better.
Guys, nothing is better. Just don't cheat. Are you gonna admit that you're also cheating? Are you also? Oh, so you wanted his temp. That's why you're busy with Minentle as well, ne?
She's the
main.
She's the main. Uyakwazi lokho angazwazi mangaza manje.
Oh, okay. Okay, I get what you're saying.
Akuyena uMinenhle ushintsha igama nje.
Na uyenza kanjani ntekani? Enhle futhi
ngitshela ukuthi wangenza ngeke kuzukhola.
I don't want anything. You guys are both cheating on each other. It's just to throw the entire relationship away, honestly. Throw the relationship away. So are you guys gonna carry on?
No, mina cha.
Never.
Never.
Phela nambeni naye.
Oh. So whether you wanna carry on with your polygamy with a loyal queen. Wife material.
From manje nje amantombazane nje ngisawafuni. Lo ngibonisile nje ukuthi nje udoti.
Sizofuna nokwashonipha ke amantombazane kufana.
Guys, okay. I'm sorry.
Lokuchita kwakho lokuletha lokugula nje. Xoxele into ongayazi.
Ugula nawe self uzungitshela ukuthi ngilethe ukugula.
Excuse me? I think you guys can go now. I'm traumatized.
Ha ngoba somushile.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Abantu sesivelile.
Njengangazi
And futhi wena uyileyo type leyo kanti uyongenze kahle ngashesha ngaphuma shem. Sukuthi uyileyo type leyo. Next thing uzobongitshela ukuthi wangithengela ijezi ngilethe uyilo muntu wenu operation Dudulo.
You guys can go.
Ngiyalifuna.
You guys can go.
Go where?
Leave, go home.
Going alone. Uzosala.
Love you can also leave.
Hambini naye.
You guys can also you can leave. You can leave, 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 you can go. All right, CMTV viewers, that is a wrap from me. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ See you later.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampora Oh, ma, best believe if you are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nengani.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebaleni obala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?